Good day. Our topic will be trade discounts. So the output will be the following. So we have definition of terms as well as derivation of formula and illustrated examples. Okay, so let's have suggested retail price, catalog price, list price. They mean all the same thing. So meaning to say the price which the manufacturer suggests an item to be sold to the customers. While the trade discount, it is the amount of discount that the wholesaler or retailer receives of the list price. So this is the difference between the list price and the net price. So let's have next, which is net price. So the net price is actually the price the manufacturer or retailer pays for the list price minus the trade discount. Next to our definition of term is actually the discount rate. So it is the amount of item to be paid by the retailer to the manufacturer. So let's talk about the formula that we will use for this trade discount. So let's have first the trade discount. So the trade discount is equal to the product of discount rate and the list price. So if we will put this in symbol, so TD is equal to DR times LP, wherein TD is the trade discount, DR is the discount rate, and LP is the list price. Next on our formula is the net price. So we have, okay, so net price is actually the list price minus trade discount. Okay, or in symbol, NP is equal to LP minus TD, such that NP is the net price, LP is the list price, and TD is the trade discount. Or, I can rewrite this one as NP is equal to LP minus DR times LP. Take note that the trade discount is equal to the discount rate times the list price. And factoring the common factor, which is actually the LP, so I have the net price is equal to list price times 1 minus DR. Okay, let's have our example. An item listed at 10,000 pesos is subject to a discount of 20%. So what is the amount of discount and the net price? So let's have our step number 1. But before that, let's identify first the given. Since our given is 10,000, so that is considered as the list price and 20% as our discount rate. So let's have step number 1. So we would like to find the trade discount. Take note that the trade discount is equal to list price times discount rate. Then we will plug in the numbers. So list price is equal to 10,000 and our discount rate is 20%. But take note, we will convert 20% into decimal first. So we have 10,000 times 0.20, or the final answer for trade discount is equal to 20,000. So this is your trade discount, or simply as the discount. Next, we want to find out the net price. So we will move on to the second step. So that is why find the net price. So to find for the net price, that is actually list price minus the trade discount. Take note that our list price is equal to 10,000 while our trade discount, or simply as the discount, is equal to 2,000. So we have net price is equal to 8,000 pesos. So therefore, the discount is 2,000 pesos and the net price is 8,000 pesos. Let's have second example. The NPD Factory sold 20,000 pesos worth of clothes to the KYG Store. The given amount represents the retail price of the clothes for which the NPD Factory has offered a 15% trade discount. What is the actual amount paid at KYG Store? And what is the trade discount? Now, in order to solve this problem, let's identify first the given. Since the list price is equal to 20,000 pesos, discount rate is 15%, we do not know yet the net price as well as the trade discount. Since we do not know the trade discount yet, let's look for the net price. Now take note that we can use the formula net price is equal to list price times 1 minus discount rate since we do not know the trade discount. So since the list price is equal to 20,000 and the discount rate is 15%, so I can simply plug in the numbers. So I have 20,000 times 1 minus 15%, or 20,000 times 85%. Then I'll convert 85% to decimal. So I have 20,000 times 0.85, or the net price is equal to 17,000 pesos. Since I know now the net price, then I can determine now the trade discount. So that is my second step. So the trade discount is equal to list price minus the net price. Take note that the list price is equal to 20,000 minus 17,000. So the trade discount is equal to 3,000 pesos. So the amount paid by KYG Store is 17,000 pesos and the trade discount is 3,000 pesos. Let's move on to the next example. So what is the discount rate if the net price of an item is 7,500 pesos after giving a discount of 2,500? So before we solve this problem, let's identify the given. So take note that the net price is equal to 7,500 while the trade discount is 2,500, but we do not know the list price as well as the discount rate. So we want to find out first the list price. Now take note, in order to find the list price, that is actually net price plus the trade discount. Then we will plug in the numbers of 7,500 plus 2,500. So the list price is equal to 10,000 pesos. Next, we want to find out the discount rate. Now, in order to find the discount rate, we'll start with the formula of discount or trade discount is equal to list price times discount rate. But take note that trade discount is equal to 2,500 while the list price is equal to 10,000 and unknown discount rate. So if we will divide both sides of the equation by 10,000, so we will have discount rate is equal to 2,500 divided by 10,000. So the discount rate is equal to 0.25, or discount rate is equal to 25%. So therefore, the discount rate is 25%. To summarize our list of formula, so we have trade discount is equal to list price times discount rate, while the net price is equal to list price minus trade discount. Trade discounts are often listed in a series. This means that a manufacturer often lists two or more trade discount percentages which may apply to the same list price. So this is what we call trade discount series. Here are the reasons for using discount series. So number one is to, encourage volume purchases. The other one is also to promote special or seasonal items. And finally, to entice new clients. Trade discount series or chain discount, it means that it is additional discounts that are deducted one after another from the list price. Take note that the single equivalent rate of discount is not simply the sum of the individual discounts. Let's have our example number one. A manufacturer offers a refrigerator of 25,000 pesos, plus trade discounts of 30%, 20%, and 10%. So what is the net price? Also, how much is the trade discount? And finally, what single trade discount is equivalent to the series of discount? So let's have our step number one. So we want to find out, or we would like to compute the net price applying the trade discount of 30%. Take note that in our given, so the list price is equal to 25,000 pesos and the discount rate is 30%, and we would like to find the net price. So we will apply the formula of list price times 1 minus discount rate, and we will plug in the list price of 25,000 and the discount rate of 30%. So we come up with 25,000 pesos times 70%, so we come up with the net price of 17,500 pesos. So this is applying the trade discount of 30%. But take note, we still have 20% and 10%. So next, compute the net price applying the trade discount of 20%. So this time, our list price is 17,500 while the discount rate is 20%. So we would like to find out the net price. Now, so again, we will apply the net price is equal to list price times 1 minus discount rate, such that our list price now is equal to 17,500 times 1 minus 20%. So we have 17,500 times 80%. This time, our net price is 14,500, applying the trade discount of 20%. So this is your net price. Next, we still have the 10% discount. So step number 3, compute the net price applying the trade discount of 10%. So this time, our list price is actually 14,000 pesos and the discount rate is 10%. So we want to find out the net price. Again, we will plug in the formula of list price times 1 minus the discount rate. So our list price now is 14,000 times 1 minus 10%. So we have now, okay, 14,000 times 90%, or the net price is 12,600 pesos. So applying the 30%, 20%, and 10%, so the net price of 25,000 pesos is now 12,600 pesos. Okay, next, we want to find out now the trade discount, such that the given or the list price is actually 25,000 pesos and the net price is actually 12,600 pesos. So using the formula of trade discount is equal to list price minus the net price. So we have here 25,000 pesos minus 12,600. So we have the trade discount of 12,400 pesos, meaning to say this is the amount that you save applying 30%, 20%, and 10% series of trade discount. Next, we want to find out also the single rate of the trade discount. So the list price is 25,000 pesos, while the trade discount is 12,400 pesos. So, in order to find the discount rate, so let's recall that trade discount all over the list price is equal to discount rate. And plug in the numbers of 12,400 divided by 25,000 pesos. So we have now the discount rate of 49.6%. So single rate equivalent to 30%, 20%, and 10% is 49.6%. So let's have the formula that we will use for the net price and a series of discounts. So we have net price is equal to list price times 1 minus discount rate 1 times 1 minus discount rate 2 times 1 minus discount rate 3 until 1 minus discount rate n. For the single rate equivalent, so we have SRE is equal to 1 minus the quantity 1 minus discount rate 1 times the quantity 1 minus discount rate 2 times the quantity 1 minus discount rate until the quantity 1 minus discount rate sub n. Let's apply the formula based on the previous example. So we will focus on the two questions, namely, what single trade discount equivalent to this series discount, and what is the net price? So let's focus first on what is the net price. So again, so the given are 25,000 for the list price. Discount rate 1 is 30%. Discount rate 2 is 20%, and discount rate 3 is equal to 10%. Now, since our formula now is net price is equal to list price times 1 minus discount rate 1 times 1 minus discount rate 2 times 1 minus discount rate 3 and until 1 minus discount rate and so on. But we will focus on the three discounts, namely 30%, 20%, and 10%. So we'll come up with net price is equal to 25% times 70% times 80% times 90%. So using our calculator, so the net price is equal to 12,600 pesos. Next, we would like to find out what is the single trade discount equivalent. Again, so the given are this discount rate 1 is 30%, discount rate 2 is 20%, discount rate 3 is 10%. So applying the formula, so we have 1 minus discount rate 1 times 1 minus discount rate 2 times 1 minus discount rate 3. So we will focus only on the three discount rates. So namely 30%, 20%, and 10%. So we have here 1 minus the product of 70%, 80%, and 90%. So using our calculator, so the single trade discount rate equivalent is 49.6%. So the single trade discount equivalent is 49.6%. Let's have another example. A new model of cell phone is 40,500 pesos, subject to 15% discount, 20% discount, and 5% discount. So what is the single rate equivalent? So again, we will identify the given. So the list price is equal to 40,500 pesos. Discount rate 1 is 15%, discount rate 2 is 20%, and discount rate 3 is 5%. So we will plug into this, these numbers to our formula such that the single rate equivalent is equal to 1 minus 1 minus discount rate 1 times 1 minus discount rate 2 times 1 minus discount rate 3 and so on. But we have only 3 discount rates. So we have here 1 minus 1 minus 15% times 1 minus 20% times 1 minus 5%. So we will come up with 1 minus the product of 85%, 80%, and 95%. So we will come up with a single rate discount equivalent of 35.4%. So we can say that the single rate equivalent of 15%, 20%, and 5% respectively is equal to 35.4%. Using the same problem from the previous example, so a new model of cell phone is 40,500 subject to 15%, 20%, and 5% discount. So this time we would like to find out the net price. So what is the net price? So given that our list price is equal to 40,500 and the single rate equivalent or the discount rate is equal to 35.4% now. So we can apply the formula of net price is equal to list price times 1 minus discount rate. Okay, take note that the single rate equivalent is now equal to discount rate. So plug in the numbers. So we have here list price is equal to 40,500 times 1 minus 35.4% based on the previous computation. So we have here now net price is equal to 26,163. Okay, so the net price is 26,163 pesos. Again, using the same example in number 2. So a new model of cell phone is 40,500 subject to 15%, 20%, and 5% discounts. So this time, we want to find out the trade discount. So if we are talking about the trade discount, this is the summation now of 15%, 20%, and 5% respectively. Again, so the list price is equal to 40,500. While this time, the net price is 26,163 based on the previous computations. So take note that the trade discount is equal to list price minus the net price. So 40,500 minus 26,163. So the trade discount is equal to 14,337. It means that this is the total discounts that you can save from 40,500 applying the 15%, 20%, and 5% discounts. So therefore, trade discount is 14,337 pesos. To summarize our discussion in the series of discounts, so the net price is equal to list price times 1 minus discount rate 1 times 1 minus discount rate 2 times 1 minus discount rate 3 until and so on and so forth. For the single trade discount rate equivalent, or we can rename this one as single discount equivalent, so it has a formula of 1 minus times the quantity 1 minus discount rate 1 times 1 minus discount rate 2 times 1 minus discount rate 3 and so on and so forth.